Hello, let's solve this integral I equal to integral 0 to pi sine square of x minus root of pi square minus x square dx. Right. So let's start. As you can easily guess, because this is in the square root, there is a pi square minus x square. We can take, let's consider x is pi sine theta, right? Then dx equal to pi cos theta d theta. Fine. If x equal to 0, theta is 0. If x equal to pi, sin pi is, if x equal to pi, that means pi equal to pi sin theta, then this will go, this will be 1, then theta will be pi by 2. Now let's substitute these values in here. In I, this will be 0 to pi by 2 sine square of x is pi sin theta minus root of pi square minus pi square sin square theta, which is pi square minus 1 minus sin square theta. Dx is pi cos theta d theta. Fine. Now I is integral 0 to pi by 2. Let's bring this pi out of the integral. Right. Then this is sine square of pi sin theta. As you can see, this will become root pi square is pi. Root of 1 minus sin square theta is root cos square theta, which is cos theta, into cos theta d theta. Right. Now, as you can see, let's consider this as equation 1. Now let's apply King's rule. As you know this, integral a to b f of x dx is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, right? We are substituting because, as you can see here, there is a pi by 2 and the upper limit and sine and cos, right? Let's see if we get some relation here. Then this will be integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square of, right, pi into sine 0 plus pi by 2 minus x, which is pi by 2 minus x, which is cos x, minus pi cos 90 minus x sin x. Now cos 90 minus x is, sorry, this is theta, right? Sin theta d theta. Right. Let's simplify it further. This will be integral 0 to pi by 2. As you can see, if you take minus as common here, it will be minus of pi sin theta minus cos theta, right? Because there is a square term here for sine, this will be equal to sine square of pi sin theta minus pi cos theta sin theta d theta. Let's assume this as equation 2. Now let's add equations 1 and 2. Then this will be 2i equal to pi into integral 0 to pi by 2, right? This you can take common sine square of pi of sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Okay. As you can see, you can take this term as common and you are left with sin theta plus cos theta. Right. As you can see, in the sine square of pi sin theta minus cos theta, there is a relation between this and sin theta plus cos theta. If you differentiate this sin theta minus cos theta, you will get a sin theta plus cos theta. So let's make a substitution here. Let's consider sin theta minus cos theta as t. Then sin theta differentiation is cos theta minus sin theta. Sorry, then this is cos theta differentiates minus sin theta, minus of minus will get plus sin theta, d theta is dt. Fine. Now, if theta equal to 0, then sin 0 minus 1, which is t equal to minus 1. If theta equal to pi by 2, then sin 90 minus cos 90, which is 1. T is 1. So finally, 2y equal to pi into minus 1 to 1 sine square of pi into sin theta minus cos theta is t. Sin theta plus cos theta d theta is dt. As you can see here, this is an even function. So you can write this as 2 pi into integral 0 to 1 sine square of pi t dt. Fine, we can cancel the 2 from both sides. Now this is simple, right? This is pi into integral 0 to 1 sine square pi t can be written as 1 minus cos of 2 pi t by 2 into dt, which is I equal to pi by 2, right? Take 1 by 2 out of the integral, then this is t minus sine of 2 pi t by 2 pi, and the integration limits are 0 to 1. Right? If you substitute t equal to 1, then this is 1 minus sine 2 pi, which is 0. Right? This is pi by 2 into, if you substitute t equal to 0, then this is 0 minus 0. Right? Then this is 1 minus 0, which is 1. Then you are left with pi by 2. So finally, our solution is integral 0 to pi sine square of x minus root of pi square minus x square dx is pi by 2.